Illinois Constitution test. The first section, you will match the positions on the left to the people on the right. I will first read going down the people on the right. A, Mike Fresius. B, Susanna Mendoza. C, Juliana Stratton. D, Michael Madigan. E, J.B. Pritzker. A.B, Kwame Raoul. A.C, Don Harmon. A.D, Jesse White. Number 1, Governor. Number 2, Lieutenant Governor. Number 3, Secretary of State. Number 4, Attorney General. Number 5, Comptroller. Number 6, Treasurer. Number 7, Speaker of the House. Number 8, President of the Senate. Next section, multiple choice. Read the statement, pick the correct answer. Number 9, how many senators are in the Illinois Senate? A, 59, B, 177, C, 118. Number 10, how many representatives are in the Illinois House? A, 59, B, 177, C, 118. 11, how many members are in the General Assembly? A, 59, B, 177, C, 118. Number 12, who discovered the area known as Illinois? A, Sonny and Cher. B, Marquette and Joliet. C, Fred and Barney. 13, in what year did Illinois become a state? A, 1800, B, 1818, C, 1808. 14, which city was never a capital of Illinois? A was removed, B, Kaskaskia, C, Springfield, D, Chicago. 15, what is the state dance? A, round, B, square, C, oval. 16, what is the state nickname? A, Prairie State, B, Live Free or Die, C, Show Me. 17, what is the state slogan? A, Lake of Plenty, B, Land O'Lakes, C, Land of Lincoln. 18, how many counties are in Illinois? A, 92, B, 102, C, 82. 19, based on population, what is the largest county in Illinois? A, Cook, B, Grundy, C, Will. 20, what is the population of Illinois according to the website? A, over 12 million, B, over 14 million, C, over 13 million. 21, what is the lowest point in Illinois? A, Chicago, B, Grand Canyon, C, Mississippi. Next section, true or false. Mark A for true, B for false. 22, Illinois did redistrict the legislative districts in 2001. A for true, B for false. 23, the Illinois Constitution has a preamble that does not contain the goals of government. A, true, B, false. 24, there are 24 rights listed in the Illinois Constitution. A for true, B for false. 25. The Illinois Constitution gives rights for victims of a crime. A for true, B for false. 26. You can never, under any circumstance, be imprisoned for debt according to the Illinois Constitution. A for true, B for false. 27. Discrimination based on sex is allowed by Illinois Constitution. A for true, B for false. 28. The right to bear arms is the Illinois Constitution, has the same exact wording as the Second Amendment in the United States Constitution. A for true, B for false. 29. Illinois has only 2 branches of government. A for true, B for false. 30. Being a naturally born citizen, meaning you had to be born on American soil, is a qualification for voting in Illinois. A for true, B for false. According to the Illinois Constitution, the duty of the lieutenant governor is to gather campaign money for the governor. A for true, B for false. 32. One of the duties of the Secretary of State is to issue driver's licenses. A for true, B for false. 33. You do not have to be a lawyer in order to become a judge in Illinois. A for true, B for false. 34. Judges are not allowed to drink alcohol while holding office. A for true, B for false. 35. The General Assembly can spend more than it estimates to have. A for true, B for false. 36. The white oak is the state tree. A for true, B for false. Multiple choice. 37. The right to vote can be lost in Illinois by being convicted on a blank charge. A, felony, B, warning, C, misdemeanor. 38. General elections are held on the first Tuesday after the first Monday in A, December, B, November, C, March, D, April. 39. Which of the following groupings of senatorial term lengths is incorrect? A, 442, B, 244, D, 444. 40. What is the term length for a member of the Illinois House of Representatives? A, 2 years, B, 6 years, C, 4 years. 41. Which of the following qualifications for a member of the General Assembly is incorrect? A, homeowner, B, U.S. citizen, C, 21 years old. 42. The next redistricting to occur in Illinois will take place in what year? A, 2020, B, 2021, C, 2022. 43. What makes a quorum in each house? A, majority of members, B, 2/3 of members, C, exactly 50% of members. 44. A representative may be expelled from office by a vote of blank of its members. A, 3/4, B, 5/6, C, 2/3. 45. Which of the following is not one of the 6 executive offices? A, was removed, B, Secretary of State, C, Attorney General, D, Secretary of Corrections. 46. What is the term length for executive officers? A, 2 years, B, 4 years, C, 6 years. 47. Which of the following is not a requirement for executive officers? A, was removed. B, resident for 3 years. C, a U.S. citizen. D, a property taxpayer. 48. How is an election tie settled? A, a runoff election. B, eeny, meeny, miny, moe. D, draw lots. 49. Who is next in line if the governor dies? A, Secretary of State. B, Lieutenant Governor. C, Attorney General. 50. How are other office vacancies filled in the executive branch? A, by special elections. B, lottery. C, governor appointments. 51. What power does the governor hold? A, supreme executive. B, supreme legislative. C, supreme judicial. 52. Which of the following grounds is not a reason for the governor to remove a person from office? A, incompetence. B, malfeasance. C, was removed. D, tardiness. 53. The judicial power is not vested in which of the following areas? A, Supreme Court. B, Traffic Court. C, Appellate Court. 54. What is the number of judicial districts? A, 2. B, 5. C, 4. Number 55. Where is the first judicial district located? A, was removed. B, Kendall County. C, Grundy County. D, Cook County. 56. How many judges are on the Illinois Supreme Court? A, 6. B, 8. C, 7. 57. How are Supreme Court justices chosen? A, elected by the voters. B, nominated. C, appointed. 58. Which of the following is not one of the 3 areas of jurisdiction of the Supreme Court? A, original and prohibition. B, appeals from appellate. C, was removed. D, an appeal from the governor. 59. The appellate court has A, appellate jurisdiction. B, last jurisdiction. C, secondary jurisdiction. Match the term of office for each judge. A term may be used more than once. Your choices are A, 6 years. B, 4 years. C, 10 years. Number 60, Supreme Court Justice. 61, Appellate Judge. 62, Circuit Court Judge. 63, Associate Judge. Multiple choice. 64, which of the following is not included in the meaning of municipalities? A, cities. B, incorporated towns. C, was removed. D, unincorporated areas. 65, a unit of local government does not include A, counties. B, municipalities. C, precincts. 66, who prepares the state budget? A, was removed. B, Secretary of State. C, treasurer. D, governor. 67, who raises revenue for the state? A, treasurer. B, the General Assembly. C, the comptroller. 68, how much can be charged for a secondary education? A, $1. B, 1,000. C, nothing, it's free. 69, what is the duty of each person in the state of Illinois according to the Illinois Constitution? A, was removed. B, vote. C, pass government class. D, maintain a healthy environment. 70, which of the following cannot be in the state militia? A, men. B, women. C, a resident of Wisconsin. 71, which of the following is commander-in-chief of the militia?